Universal Analytics property will stop processing data starting on July. Hello everyone, this is Abir. In this video, I will show how we'll do GA4 e-commerce tracking very easily on your WordPress website without any coding knowledge. Anyone can set it up with Google Tag Manager. Good news, everything is ready in this template. You don't need to create any tags, triggers and variables. Just need to change the GA4 measurement ID and publish it. Then e-commerce tracking will be done. I will give the template link in the video description box. I will show how to import the template and how to connect the GA4 and how to do GA4 e-commerce tracking. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to create Tag Manager and GA4 container. If you have created a previous container, then there is no need to create a new one. If there is no previous container, then I will show you how to create it. Go to tagmanager.google.com and as you can see, here is the Tag Manager new account created page. Enter your business name. I am providing Edu container. Choose your country and enter your container name. I am using same name and select the target platform, web and create. I have already created the Tag Manager container. Here is my Google Tag Manager GTM container. Now we need to create a Google Analytics 4 property. Go to analytics.google.com. Sign in your Google Analytics account for create a new one at googleanalytics.com. Click on admin, the bottom of left corner, and select if you have already created an account, you don't need to create any account. Just select the create a property and enter your property name. I'm using this name and enter your county, enter your time zone and choose your currency. And you don't need to go to the advanced option. Just select the next. And this is the basic survey. You can set up this. I'm providing my information industry and my business is small. Setting and what is the reason are you creating this GA4 container? I am using, this is my e-commerce store. For the reason I am select the drive online sales and create. I have already make a container. I don't need to create right now. And if you have the previous container, you don't need to create any GA4 property or container. And the one thing is your container, GA4 container link on the Universal Analytics before you have unlinked with Universal Analytics. Okay, here is my GA4 container. And now go to the data stream. And before one thing, we need to go to on your WordPress website backend. I have already, this is my WordPress website. Go to the plugins and select the add new and search plugins. Write GTM and choose the plugin GTM for WP. Install now and activate. Plugin is activated successfully. Here is showing a message to it start using Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Please enter your GTM ID. Click here and copy your GTM ID. Go to Google Tag Manager property. Here is your GTM ID. Copy the GTM ID and go to the WordPress backend. Enter your GTM ID and save changes. And as you can see, here is our container is off. Now again turn on and save again. Our GTM connected successful. Now go to the integration for enable the data layer. The data layer is the product information. Select the WooCommerce, choose the enhance e-commerce and save changes. Our data layer enable done. Now go to the Google Tag Manager and go to the admin section. Select the input container. This container means the Google Tag Manager pre-built template. You do not to create any text, triggers or variables. I will give the template link in video description box. Choose the container file. I have select the GA4 container, GA4 Ecommerce tracking for WordPress JSON file and select the existing, select the default workspace and you can see here is the 7 tags, 6 triggers and 12 variables and confirm. Our tag triggers variables imported successfully. If I go to tags, as you can see here is a 7 tags: GA4 add to cart, begin checkout, purchase, remove from cart, view item. You don't need to create any tags, triggers or variables. If I go to the add to cart, you can see here is the dynamic parameters. Here is the dynamic. If I go to the purchase, you can see here is the items, currency, value, coupon, transaction ID, shipping, tax, affiliation. Okay, if I go to the triggers, you can see here is the 7 triggers, add to cart. Okay, if I go to the variables, here is already created on the dynamic variables. If I select the purchase value, as you can see here is the e-commerce value. You don't need to create any variables. This is the data layer variables. Okay, now we need to copy the, you need to go to the GA4 property and go to the data stream, select data stream, select web and enter your website URL. I'm copying my website URL. Sorry. And here is my website URL. Again copy and I'm using the stream name same and I'm creating the stream. Here is my stream and now need to copy to measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID and go to tag manager. Select the GA4 configuration all pages, replace the GA4 measurement ID and save and now submit and you can write any name and publish. Our GA4 e-commerce tracking setup is done. Now we will check our tag triggers variables is working or not. Now select the workspace and go to the analytics debug view and wait for debug. And if I reload the pages, now go to the preview mode and copy your website URL and copy and paste it here. Now connect is connecting. Here is my the preview mode, Google Tag Manager preview mode. If I visit any product and you can see here is our view item is fired. Our product details here is showing the casual dress, the product name is casual dress. If I go to the data layer, You can see here is the product information. Here is the all product information. Here is the data layer. If I add to cart any product, view cart, remove cart, and if I go to return to shop, add to cart again, view cart, and proceed to checkout. And if I go to the summary text, you can see here is our all texts are firing, all texts are working. View cart, remove from cart, view item, begin checkout, add to cart. If I select the begin checkout, you can see here is our all information here. Here is our currency and the name. Here is no coupon, for the reason it's not showing a coupon. If I provide my information and if I place the order, if I go to the tag assistant, here is our purchase, here is the purchase event, and if I select the purchase tag, you can see here is the purchase information, here is the product information, event parameters, here is the currency, here is the value, the product price is 89.95, and here is the coupon, here is no coupon, here is the transaction ID, the transaction ID is 1458, and here is our shipping value 10, and here is the tax, the affiliation. And this is the ready-made, it's already have all information. You don't need to create any text stickers or variables. If I go to the analytics, just wait, and as you can see here is our all events are working. View item, remove from cart, purchase. If I select the purchase event, if I go to the parameters, here is our currency, and here is our shipping charge, tax, the transaction ID, the value. Everything is working perfectly. Here is the items, here is the items information, the product information. If I visit the add to cart, as you can see here is our all information here. You don't need to quit anything. If I select the begin checkout, you can see here is the product information is items, here is the parameters, currency, value. Everything is working perfectly. You don't need to set up manually. That's it. You have now successfully migrated from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4 on your WordPress website. Remember that Google Analytics 4 has a different data model and reporting interface compared to Universal Analytics. So it's a good idea to explore its new features and capabilities. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you the next one.